If Google Play Store is not working properly or failing to download apps, updating it often fixes the issue quickly. On any Samsung or Android device, you can refresh the Play Store in just a few steps. Open the Google Play Store and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Once the app loads, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, find the About section and tap on it. Here you will see the Play Store version and update option. Tap on Update Play Store if it appears and allow the system to install the latest version automatically. This process helps fix bugs and improves overall performance. If the issue still continues, go back to Settings on your phone, open Apps, select Google Play Store, then tap Storage and clear cache. Restart your device afterward to refresh system services. After completing these steps, your Play Store should work smoothly again, allowing you to download and update apps without errors. Keeping the app updated regularly ensures better speed, stability, and security for your Android experience. Your Google Play Store should now be updated and running smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.